Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? It's almost the end of the year. Like, we are grateful to God for a year well spent. I think it's okay for me now to tell you guys Happy New Year, all right? And yeah, I said let me start this vlog here because you guys, it's our anniversary, okay? It's our anniversary in few days, 2nd January to be precise. I can't even believe that we are like, is this 6 or 7 years? 7 years in marriage. Hey. And I will go for marriage counselors. 7 years, it's not easy. It's not easy, Jaja. Let me fix my camera. Let me get my camera here, yeah. So we are all dressed up now and we want to go get some stuff, and yeah, when we're back to the house. But quickly, I just put on my lashes. My lashes. Honestly, you guys were supposed to be marriage counselors, marriage advisors. 7 years I didn't easy. Let me just quickly do my lashes, okay?
My baby loves me right, good loving day and night. He they always did my side, he they make me feel alright. My baby loves me right, my baby they cool me down. He they always did my side, he they make me feel alright. Not only you, baby I said not only you. Not only you did my mind, not only you get my time.
Okay, so I'm done. Just to apply my lip gloss now, and yeah. Yeah. To wear wig now, remain now. So I will talk to you guys later. Okay? What I do in my bag?
Papa, check what is inside.
There's nothing inside.
You didn't buy us anything.
Eh? Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Yes. Why had the map? Oh gosh.
Mommy.
Eh?
Mommy.
No.
Mommy, take it.
Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? Welcome back. So I just came back from work and I said, let me gist you people what's up, okay? So yesterday we went out. I didn't vlog it because I did just want to bore you guys with outdoor vlogs. So I purposely didn't vlog it. I'm excited, honestly. Today I had a very nice day. My day today was awesome. At work, it was super awesome, honestly. And one of the patients got COVID, and maybe small something though. But you know, everything is fine though. Honestly, today is one of those favorite days at work in my life. So you guys, the moment I drop this camera now, I will be packing our bags because we'll be traveling to London tomorrow. We are going to visit my brother-in-law. We'll be in London. We will spend our New Year in London. We will stay there till after New Year. So basically, our New Year will be in London. So that is just basically the update I want to give you guys. And see you guys tomorrow morning, okay? Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? It's a beautiful morning. So we are all set. We are ready to go to the coach station now. We are all super ready to experience London. So you guys, with no further ado, let's go.
I got the package for you. I got the package for you. I got that honey, that honey, that honey, that honey. You need that honey, that honey, that honey, honey. Give me be on my line for the honey. You be up all night for the honey. Take him on this ride for the honey. Hit me up, I got these.
So people, we are at the coach station.
Now.
Stop shouting, please. Sit down, Chigo, people. Sit here down. Sit here down.
All night for the honey. Take him on this ride for the honey. Hit me up, hey, you know.
All right, man.
How do I drop this?
Victoria?
Yes,
That one,
Victoria. Yeah.
Yep, yep.
I got the magic for you. I got the magic for you. Hey, you know. I got the package for you. I got the package for you.
Alright people, so we just arrived in London now. We want to follow the map so we can get to the bus station. Now we get a bus to our final destination. So let me show you guys around. London, 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 here we come. So you guys, we are at the train station. We want to take the underground train to a station. Then from the station, then we'll take another one. So underground train, first experience taking underground train. But first, we need to load our what is it called? In the London, our Oyster card. Oh yes, yes. Oyster card. We need to load it up. Then we move. Let me show you guys. Alex, I thought he said outside the station. So let's do a little bit selfie. The boys went to ease themselves, so I'm over a selfie. What a go! Oh yeah. So you guys, we are inside the Victoria station. So in this station, you can take a train you can take normal train, and you can also take the underground train. Okay.
9th of January 2022.
Huh? Yes. Underground. I don't know about the shall go underground though. But, London are through. What they are. As in this London is too. Where's the lift? Can you check when you lift? Let's experience the underground on our own. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay. So you guys, I have no lift. Press. All right. Let's enter.
Oh gosh.
0. It's -1 now. Unless you guys should stop touching everything.
I don't want you to touch it, that's what I'm pressing about myself. For your own safety. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, I roll. Oh. Right. Yeah, it's underground the Howard. Okay. So what next? Tickets. I think we don't need tickets because it's just to tap and move. Victoria line. Okay. 4. I thought you missed your steps.
For your safety and security, CCTV is in use throughout London Underground. Help us to keep your journey running safely and smoothly.
It doesn't feel like underground. It's just like even on a normal distance. Meanwhile, we are just below the ground. Okay? Oyibo. Ndiosa.
Customer information. You must wear a face covering over your nose and mouth at all times when using TfL services and stations. If you do not, you may be denied entry to the network by policing and TfL enforcement staff.
Okay. So let's check where we are going to. You see, they go the underground. We don't enter the first place, enter the second place. This is the third lift we are taking, and we are going further down. Church Salano. So you guys, this is platform 4. I think he's here.
Mind the gap, please.
Sorry.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Doors will open on the right-hand side. Change for National Rail Services. This station has step-free access.
This is what the rail looks like. The rail is different from the normal rail. The normal rail of a train. You guys, the underground is hot too, like it's very hot. Even inside the thing itself, the hot. Inside the underground train is hot. Babe, we are going up. Underground, so we are going to take the normal rail. Yeah, you can't talk about no go chineke. Yeah, no go be na gabikon. Yeah, chineke mera mebe. Jehovah na. Oh, I just realized that I know underground. So we are going way up. You guys, I'm having fun on this journey. Hey, Jehovah. I'm even taking time to turn my back before more they miss a step one. Ugonma, our story. Okay. I am on the first floor. New Bagam. Alex, wait. Please.
I'm not calling more than.
Oh.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yeah. I'm coming. Hold on.
Mommy.
She goes to him. Wait. You guys, this is beautiful. So, so you guys, now we are waiting for our train. This one is no longer underground. We'll be entering a normal train. So yeah.
So this thing is this house.
Guys, this is another elevator that we are going to enter to take another train. You guys, maintenance if I wait, let me enter here. The reason we are taking this join, they said they are doing road maintenance. So the straight up road we are supposed to take, they're supposed to take us to where we are going to, is closed. So now in the they follow this join, short train getting underground this thing. Eh? Our destination. Anyway, I hope by the time we'll come back, maintenance, because you can't pass through all this. Let me show you guys a new. So this one now is you see the rail tracks. Over. Give me your hand, Chico's room. So we are waiting for the next train that will take us to the place where we will not take a taxi to our destination. Okay?
The taxi?
Yep.
Take a taxi.
What taxi are you talking about?
Platform 10 for the Southwest Railway service to London.
My tiredness is tired. How many trains I know? This is the third one. Plus the underground. Third train plus the underground. We never stay rich. The maintenance they should do fast. Finish their road so that we can have an easy travel. Oh, you need a more. Eh? Look at, I don't know so two are called. We never stay rich. Yeah, we're gonna join. Look, Chico. My dear people of God, finally done reach. This is the train. So we just dropped out from the last train. Now to take bus now, where? Baby, I roller. Oh, I need roller. Ogbuanu. Okay, got bossy father. Okay. Ngana roller. Jehovah lele. Yo. Ndeka ha bagari jishikani Kenya ni ya. Tinye o ele ha bagaya. Agari jishike tinye o lift. Hey. Oh. Oh, finally we are out. But baby, she was yay! Finally, I go kwa. Let's stop or dear. Maybe if you got another. It's too tiny.
No, don't. We want to go to Nando's. Unless they want to try the Nando's.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can I throw one time?
Ready. Can they take this?
Not immediately, Padre.
Man and cheese. Italian. Like you used to shop your appetite, then you enjoy the food better. It's more wide. Sometimes they warm it up, make it so
you guys
he's bringing it to us.
I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So beautiful people.
Yeah, soft drinks.
Guys, we are at Nando's. We get to have. Okay. We eat in here.
In here, yes, better. It's more.
Okay.
Yes, correct. 3, 4, 5. Right.
Yes, this one's better. Yeah. So, you guys, I think I'll end this vlog here, okay? We are at Nando's. We came to have lunch, yes? Okay. we came to have lunch. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't want this video to be long, okay? All right, ciao.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, here we go.